To show or hide location of mouse pointer when press Ctrl key in Windows 11 Home, right-click on empty area on the desktop, and then select Personalize. Next, tap or click Bluetooth and Devices, and then select Mouse. Click or tap Additional Mouse Settings, and then select Pointer Options. On show location of pointer when I press the Ctrl key, check to show or uncheck to hide. Then tap apply to save settings. Okay. And then when you press Ctrl key, location of pointer will be shown. Okay, thank you for watching. Have a nice day.